I can remember sitting on my couch a few years ago, head leaning back, and one of my grandkids walked past me behind the sofa and kind of took their finger and touched the spot on my head and said, "Hey, Paw Paw, I can see your thoughts." So it was funny, but it was a reality check. I probably first noticed hair loss right before I cut my locks. I noticed that I had some thinning, and I didn't know if it was just because of the weight of my hair, but I noticed in the top that it was thinning. I never thought that I would be a person that would necessarily be bothered by hair loss, because I always thought, hey, if I lose my hair, if I start going bald, I just shave it off and start a new era. But it's funny how things play out, because we ended up moving here from Ohio, and my wife ended up getting a position with Hair Club, and it actually exposed me to possibilities. I have to say, when she finished and I opened my eyes from the long process, it took me back. It took me back. I feel like I've always looked good, but it definitely took some years back. I think that initial excitement that feels good. That feels good. But looking in the mirror and put my hands in it feels like hair. I mean, I can remember when I was younger and people would feel your hair because I had an afro, and they'd be like, it's so cushy. And that's it feels natural.